Our small business owners are business leaders, and our small business owners are community leaders and civic leaders. You train young people and hire locally. You support the local softball team. You are role models and mentors. And I'll tell you, I've seen it my whole life. Growing up, my mother worked long hours and long days, and weekends from time to time. And when she did, my sister Maya and I would go a couple of doors over to Miss Shelton's house. So Miss Shelton ran a nursery school, and we actually lived in the apartment above the nursery school. And Miss Shelton was our second mother. She was a small business owner, and I would not be here today without her. Because you see, Mrs. Shelton was a fixture in our community. She gave support and advice to the young parents in the neighborhood and folks who were going through challenges, just as so many of you do.